Okay, here's our last test here, the ultrasonic cleaner here. So this is the filthy chrome hub. So it cleaned up really nice. Didn't do anything for the rust, but it sure takes all the dirt and grime and other crap off of it. So definitely does a good job for that. I will give it that. It does a very good job of cleaning out dirt and grime, but not rust. Over here on the head, this was just as is, nasty Sportster head here. Had a lot of puke and rust looking stuff around the springs. You can still see a little bit of rust residue on the spring, but pretty clean other than that. Oh, camera you can see it would help. So it's got a lot of junk cleaned out of here. The ports are still so-so, but they're getting clean. Now this has been in there for probably an hour and 15 minutes now, on both high frequency and low frequency. The exhaust port is still pretty grungy looking. Combustion chamber is pretty well cleaned up, which is really nice. Stick carbon, definitely nice there. Did a good job on that side. It's sat upside down against the transducers, which are on the bottom here, blowing right into this thing. So that's what cleaned it up pretty good. It still didn't do much on the exhaust valve. It probably took half of it off at most. But it did a really good job of cleaning that side up. I had it floating around on this side here, and I didn't really do much for it. So anyway, it's definitely overrated at this point. It's better than worthless like it was last year when I quit using it, but it's not much better. This purple power crap here, do not get it near aluminum. It will destroy aluminum. But other than that, it seems to be cutting carbon halfway decent. I need to get some better chemicals. Big improvement over soap and water. That didn't work at all, but it's not the answer yet. So this machine here I paid probably just under $1,000 for it, so it's not like it's a cheap one. There's the size of it. Anyway, it's still inadequate. It's definitely not no $5,000 piece of equipment, that's for sure. But it ain't no $200 one either. So for a chrome cleaner on steel, it's bitchin'. It does a very good job for that. So you put some nasty chrome parts in this thing, it'll make them look like new, except for the rust. So that definitely really shines them up. They look really good. For cleaning up big stuff like heads and stuff like this, if you leave it in there for 3 or 4 hours, it might finally get it all clean. Not sure. But it costs a lot of money to run that thing for that long. And the temperature in this thing was up to 153 degrees at one point. So it's not like it wasn't hot either. Hot makes stuff work better. But it does not replace normal clean it and solve it, blasting it, scrubbing it, blowing everything off, make it look pretty. That gets all the crap off. This right now, not getting the job done. I am definitely not satisfied with this, but it's definitely a step up from what it was. So, but no good. So I need some different cleaners, chemicals. Definitely these are not the ones right now. But, well, there we're at. That's our 4-hour test for today. We're up to a C now instead of an F. Still not worth $1,000 yet. So we'll see. We'll keep playing.